Let's get right into it. Today, we're counting down the strangest, rarest, and most mind-blowing body functions that only switch on when you're in extreme fear. Not regular fear. Not my phone fell face down fear. We're talking deep instinct, evolutionary warning siren fear. And yes, one of these functions is so rare that scientists didn't even know it existed until recently. Let's start the countdown. 8. Your body activates silent breathing, a predator evasion trick. When fear spikes into survival mode, your breathing becomes weirdly quiet. Not slower, not faster, quieter. Researchers found that humans subconsciously reduce turbulence in the nasal cavity when frightened, making inhalation almost silent. Why? Because our ancestors didn't want to sound like a panicked fax machine while hiding from predators. It's basically your body going, "Shish. Pretend you're not alive." 7. Your vision switches to threat zoom mode. Do you know tunnel vision? Turns out it's not just stress, it's a literal neural mode that activates only when your body thinks you're in danger. Your brain reallocates energy away from peripheral processing and supercharges motion and shape detection directly in your line of sight. You become a flesh and bone security camera. Fun facts. Peripheral color perception drops too, which is why things suddenly feel colder or desaturated during panic. 6. Your inner ear lowers sensitivity. This one's bizarre. During extreme fear, the muscles around your middle ear tighten, almost like turning down the volume knob on life. Why? Because your brain wants to prioritize low-frequency sounds, predator footsteps, cracking branches. Movement in the dark. Human horror mode basically gives you subwoofer hearing. 5. Your blood gets temporarily thicker. This isn't metaphorical. Your blood literally becomes more viscous during intense fight or flight. Hormones like vasopressin spike, constricting vessels and reducing blood loss in case you get injured. Evolution's logic. If something goes wrong, let's not leak too much. It's gross, brilliant, and very metal. 4. You temporarily lose fine motor skills. Your hands shake, your fingers go numb. Buttons become impossible. This is your nervous system diverting resources away from delicate tasks and toward large muscle survival actions: running, climbing, pushing, fighting. Evolution. Who cares if you can't type? Can you sprint? 3. Your skin changes electrical conductivity. Have you ever done a lie detector test? Probably not. But if you do, they're not reading sweat, they're reading skin conductance. Your skin becomes hyper-reactive during deep fear, increasing micro-sweat output so tiny you don't notice it. The weirdest part? Scientists only recently discovered just how fast this kicks in, under 200 milliseconds after a fear signal. Your skin literally reacts before you know you're scared. 2. Your brain's acoustic startle reflex goes nuclear. You've jumped at loud noises before, but under extreme fear this reflex becomes turbocharged. In survival mode, your brain amplifies the function that jerks your whole body away from sudden sounds. It's why frightened animals seem to levitate off the ground at sudden noises. Humans do it too, only faster. Evolution wanted you to turn into a spring-loaded pogo stick. 1. The newly discovered function. Your bones release a fear hormone. This is the big one. In 2019, scientists discovered that your bones, yes, bones, release a hormone called osteocalcin during extreme fear. The craziest part? It controls the fight or flight response. Your skeleton literally sends chemical messages that increase heart rate, sharpen reflexes, energy boost, shut down digestion, heighten alertness for decades. Scientists thought adrenaline started the fear response. Turns out your bones may be the real alarm system. Your skeleton isn't just a frame, it's a fear switch. Final words: the human body isn't just a machine. It's a layered, ancient survival system built on millions of years of panic, predators, and very bad nights in the dark. And the fact that we still carry these extreme fear functions, many of them hidden, shows just how much of our biology is still wired for a world we no longer live in.